Retail investors are leaving. Institutions are accumulating. It feels like the rocket is getting ready to launch. Let's talk about bigger picture. In my view, right now is a golden time to prepare for the next wave. Look at the markets today. Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Korea, Kospi, Kosdaq, most of them are at or near all-time highs. On the other hand, Bitcoin has been in a correction and sideways trend for about 9 months. Retail investors are exhausted. Interest has dropped significantly. To be honest, these days, people talk about Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, US stocks. Very few people are talking about Bitcoin or crypto. But here's the interesting part. Just 1 and 2 years ago, people were saying Nasdaq is everything. Don't invest in Korean stocks. Those who invest in Korea were often mocked. Back then, Samsung Electronics was around 40,000, 5,000 Korean won. SK Hynix was around 100,000 Korean won. And now, Samsung has surged massively with expectation of going even higher. SK Hynix has also skyrocketed significantly with many expecting further upside. So what happened? Money moved. That's it. Money always rotates. And right now, Bitcoin looks very similar to how Korean stock looked back then. Ignored, boring, doubt. Right now, US markets and Korean markets are near their highs. Yes, they could go higher. But eventually, the next move will come from the market that hasn't moved yet. And here's what's happening. As a stock investor gain profits, the desire to take profits is increasing. And the capital will naturally look for undervalued opportunities. So, where will that money go? In my opinion, that destination is the crypto market. A market that has been consolidating for 9 months. Bitcoin could lead, or Ethereum could lead. But overall direction, crypto. And the signal are already there. Bitcoin ETFs are seeing strong inflows. For example, BlackRock's IBIT has seen over $350 million in inflows in just 2 days. Also, large Bitcoin whales are moving assets into private wallet, which usually means long-term holding. So, what does this mean? Retail investors are leaving. Institutions are accumulating. All these signals are building quietly under the surface. And it feels like the rocket is getting ready to launch. That's why this moment is very important for Bitcoin investors. Markets always move like this. When everyone is interested, it's already late. When no one is interested, that's the preparation phase. The lesson from stock market is simple. Opportunity comes when people mock it. And now, it might be crypto's turn. Sideways markets often end with explosive moves. What do you think? Is Bitcoin still risky right now? Or is this the beginning of the next opportunity? I can always be wrong. So please make your own investment decisions. Thank you. This was SB.